Good day everyone, this is Midshipman Mark Angelo Clarito from MT and PBST 32A2. Today I'm gonna show you the software Smart Cal Load. This software may give you a lot of information about trim and stability. So let's start. So this is the software. It can give you the ship's data. For example, ship's data, the cargo hold data, kung ano yung laman niya. So the drop mark distance to perpendiculars and the data, and for example the holds and kung ano yung laman nila, grain, like for example cargo hold grain capability, cargo hold bulk wall capacity or volume capacity, and the cargo hold maximum load, and next is the, for example, the hydrostatic table. This software can offer also this, like the starting draft, the intervals, maximum draft, and etc. the TPC. Next is the, and also it can give you this mode, cargo planner sample. This can give you a lot on how will you plan on loading the cargo, like bulk mineral only, grains bulk only, etc. Like next is the load and discharge sequence. This may help you a lot on how will you organize on loading your cargo holds. And this software can operate up to 9 and above holds, and it can also give you the drop survey report, initial and final. Then next is go to menu to click more information, like for example the ballast water exchange. This is the ballast water exchange for MB Golden Diamond. It can also give you the squat table, the unit converter. So this can be useful on converting kilometers to meters, centimeters to millimeters, miles to yards, inch to foot, and other method on convert, like area, volume, time, speed, mass, temperature, pressure, etc. Then next is the trimming by trim table. So this app can also be changed by clicking it and change it by what number do you desire. And next is also give you the air draft, propeller, immersion, and freeboard calculation. So this is it. So you can also change it by clicking it and change the number that you desire, and it will change automatically. So that's a glimpse of this software.